Hi everyone, and welcome to this Fuzor 2026 new features tutorial on how to use task filters in Fuzor to instantly visualize tasks that are ahead or behind schedule. Let's get started. In any project, comparing actual progress to the original plan is crucial. In this tutorial, we will cover two key objectives. First, how to create custom filters to identify early and late tasks, and second, how to apply these filters to analyze schedule performance directly in your 4D model. This first objective will guide you through creating your filters. Open your project in Fuzor and enter the 4D simulation from the menu. In the simulation panel, locate and click the Task Filter button. Here, click New to create a new filter. This opens the filter editor. In the list, find and check the box for early tasks, then close the window. Rename this new filter to Early Tasks for clarity. Repeat the process, click New again, check the box for Late Tasks, close the window, and rename it to Late Tasks. Your two key filters are now ready. With your filters created, the second objective will show you how to use them to analyze the schedule. To activate a filter, simply check the box beside it. Enable the Early Tasks filter first. Instantly, your schedule will highlight all tasks that are ahead of plan, showing you where the project is performing well. Now, check the box for the Late Tasks filter. The view will update to also highlight every task that is behind schedule, allowing you to pinpoint delays at a glance. You can toggle these filters on and off to focus your analysis, turning your 4D model into a dynamic progress dashboard for clearer communication and faster decision-making. This concludes the tutorial. You have now learned to create and apply task filters to visually track schedule performance in Fuzor. Thank you for watching.